Hi everyone, today is 23rd of March. I just wanted to make a quick video to share my opinion. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not giving financial advice. This is just my opinion, just my thoughts for educational purposes only. The quick message is that if you're holding Ethereum, if you have Ethereum, do not sell your Ethereum. There will be a dip. There has already been a bit of dip. The price is right now around 1680 something. I think it's gonna go a bit lower. However, uh, do not sell your Ethereum. This is just to shake off the loose hands, or basically the retail investors. And eventually Ethereum is going to go higher. Why Ethereum is so low, of course I'm gonna keep that for another day, but this was just a quick message I wanted to share with you guys. Have a nice day, happy trading, bye bye.